to Bloom Skills. In this segment of the Bloom Skills, we are about to learn how we can insert data from PHP code, PHP MySQL code. So for us to do that, let's create a new file. New, great. So delete all this. Okay, as we delete all this, the next thing to do, we type our open our PHP. Now the next thing to do is for us to put codes for our connection to our database. So we put code for connection to our database. This is the server, localhost, username is root, and the password this is the password I'm using for this training purpose. Then this the database name that I created in our previous video. If you don't understand, just watch our previous video. You will see when we create where we create this database name. When we create this database and we create a table called user. Check our previous video, you see that. So let's type the code. This is the code for connection to our database. So after that, the next thing to do is for us to type a code to insert data to our table. Let's say insert data to the user table. That's the table we created that time on our previous video. So let's put the code that will insert the record to our table in the database. Okay, so here is the code. Insert into users, that's the name of the table. If you check, let's go to our browser. Here, look at the table, users, that's the name of the table. So we're saying insert into users. The name, all these things are the column names. If you check our table there, you see the column names: name, phone number, user, password. So that's the same thing we have here. We have the name here, you have the phone number, the username, password. Then you have values, that's the things you want to be in them. The first one is the name, which is Benjamin James. The second one is the phone, which is this phone number. The third one is the username, which is this one, Ben for you. And the lastly is the password, which is 1 to 7. So this place now check the if MySQLi underscore query is correct, let it submit every data inside the table. But if it's wrong, it will print out data not submitted. So let's save our file and call it data.php. Not that this is the name you can call it, you can call it any name you want, but this is the name that we use to recognize it. So let's quickly go to our browser and run it. For it to function, we put data. Okay, data submitted successfully. So let's quickly go to our table and check if it truly entered our table. So let's refresh the table. Wow, it entered. Look at it here, Benjamin James. So that's how we insert data to our table database.